Listen, I don't know who is making those rankings from BKB, but you need to update that fuck, because you know that I am pound for pound. Five weight. Only Jimmy Sweeney was 6 and I was 5. So who is the number one? You took my title because I couldn't cut weight, but okay, if I want, I will take everything you give me, but pay me. Rođendan Igoru koji je jučer bio i sretan rođendan njegove supruzi koja je isto danas Romini. I had the birthday wishes for Yasmin's grandson. Igor's birthday was yesterday and his wife's today. So I have to thank these two. And Becky is right there. He's also third coach. I have to thank them because all of three
Vedan Pereković, poznati bivši prvak Hrvatske u amaterskom boksu, reprezentativac dugogodišnji Hrvatske.
You know what we say about you, you are the emperor. You call yourself the GOAT as well. Are you proving over and over again that you should be the number one pound for pound?